In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix page not found on the Telegraph news website. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, if you are experiencing this, then you can first try to troubleshoot your web browser to see if this fixes your problem. Open your browser and go to this ellipsis on top here, and then go to settings. So for this, I'm using Google Chrome browser. This should be the same on any other browser. Here, go to privacy and security, and under this, look for delete browsing data. Choose the length of period you wish. I'll choose 24 hours and check the boxes below before you can proceed and delete this browsing data. Once you're done, restart your browser or open a new tab and visit the official Telegraph app, and now everything should be up and running without any issue. However, if you still have the same challenge, then check and then see if you're using any VPN or any security app that you recently installed. Turn them off or uninstall them to fix this. At this point, everything now should be working. However, if you are trying to access a specific page but you still can't, then most likely the page might have been removed or the URL address of the page might have changed. For that, try and search the page by the title to see if you will find it. However, if it is still impossible and you can't even access the Telegraph homepage, then most likely the Telegraph might have experienced internal server error. For that, you'll need to wait for some few minutes before you can try and access the website. So let me know which of the above was able to fix your issue. You'll also want to try and use the Telegraph app and see if it works. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.